Hi there, this is Kristen Jakeway Beasley here to show you an app that LinkedIn has developed in the last year. It's called LinkedIn Student App. It again was developed in 2016 and launched in the App Store. You can download it for an iOS device or an Android device. But I wanted to show you some of the cool features about the LinkedIn Student App. Now, as you see on this home screen, it's going to show you the career ideas it wants to suggest to you based on your profile with LinkedIn. So once you download the app, you will be signing in with your LinkedIn profile. So make sure that profile is good and complete. So it asks me, have I ever considered becoming a mental health therapist, which is probably based on the fact that I'm a vocational rehabilitation counselor. If I had decided that this was a good fit for me, then I could go down here where that little star is and I could click it and turn it blue and save that and help LinkedIn come up with better suggestions for me in the future. However, that's not something I want to do, so I'm going to unclick that. My next card shows me some recommended reading, so something that they think would be helpful for me to read, which this one is about networking the room, so some good career advice. The next card that I get is about a company where I might be a good fit for that company at Washington State University, and it shows me that I actually have someone in common through an alumni connection who works there. The next card is suggesting somebody to me that is an alumni at the university where I attended that has got counselor in their title, and that they're telling me to go check out that person, and perhaps if I checked out that person's profile and they would be someone good for me to network with, I could add them to my connections on LinkedIn. My last card is telling me about a potential job, which would be a lead teacher at La Petite Academy in Indianapolis, Indiana. Again, if that would be something that I would be interested in, I could see more jobs with that title, or I could click that star to let LinkedIn know that they're on the right track. So if I keep sweeping to the left, it's going to give me more suggestions and more ideas. So if I click on see more ideas, it's going to give me 5 more career cards to go through. Now, where all this stuff saves is this little icon here at the very bottom that says my stuff. And you see the things that I have saved, some jobs that I might be interested in, or companies where I might be interested in working, or people that I might be interested in connecting. Now, on this last little feature, it has a search feature, and so I've already typed out career counselor as a possible role for me. That fits me well. And so it's going to give me some good information about what career counselors do, what I might expect the average salary to be in the U.S., and then it also suggests alumni from my university who also have that role. And it tells me the top companies for this role. And that also might include some places that have hired people from your university. And then at the bottom, it gives me some suggestions that I might not have considered, like academic advisor or admissions officers. And I could click on that and learn more about what that job title would entail and their salary, etc., and get even more suggestions to see if any of those would be a good fit. And again, if you want to save it and you want to help your LinkedIn student app make better suggestions, hit that little star button anywhere you see it for things that you want to save and things that you want to help LinkedIn understand about you. So companies, you can look for different companies that might be on your target list. So let's look up University of Washington, because they did say that that might be a good fit for me. So let's see, University of Washington. So if I click on that, I can save it by clicking that little blue icon up there, and it gives me more information about the University of Washington and roles at the company that I might like to pursue there. It also gives me suggestions of similar companies that I might want to go and explore. So I can click on any of those and learn more about those companies. All right. And then people. If you wanted to find people that are working in these different types of fields and you know their name, you can search those people here. I know somebody, Anna Taylor, and I can click on that and I can get that she is our business relations consultant with our agency and find out more about her and see her full profile at linkedin.com. So these are some of the neat features with this LinkedIn Student app. Again, it's one of those apps that ever evolves with how you are saving and storing different things, and it's learning more about you as you do that. So doing that helps the app learn how to give you better suggestions for your career growth. So I hope this helps.